Got a skill, any skill. Turn it into a gig, list it on Fiverr, and clients from all over the world will pay you for it. No office, no boss, no cold outreach. The platform brings the clients to you. That's the freelance marketplace pitch. And it's the on-ramp most people picture first when they think freelance from home. So I actually set up a Fiverr gig and tried to land real paid work to see if the platform delivers clients the way the pitch promises. Here's the sales pitch. Create a gig page for your skill, writing, design, voiceover. Whatever you've got, set your price, and buyers browse and hire you directly. No applications, no interviews. The marketplace does the matching. Reality check time. Reality check starts with the actual client acquisition problem. A brand new gig with 0 reviews sits at the bottom of Fiverr's search results, behind thousands of sellers with hundreds of reviews each. The platform brings clients to you, quietly assumes buyers can find you at all, and on page 9 of search results, they can't. Second, the honest way through that cold start is pricing low enough to get your first reviews, which means your early gigs pay far below what the work is actually worth. $5 logo gigs and $10 100-word articles aren't rare outliers. They are the standard on-ramp price for an unranked seller trying to build review count. Third, platform fees take a real bite. Fiverr takes 20% off the top of every order. On an already underpriced $5 gig, that's $1 gone before you've spent a minute working. Fourth, competition is global by design, and that's the platform's whole value proposition to buyers, not a bug. You're not just competing with sellers in your city. You're competing with sellers anywhere in the world who can do the same task for less, because their cost of living is lower. That's not unfair. It's just the actual shape of a global marketplace, and it caps what beginner pricing can realistically be. So is Fiverr a scam? No, plenty of real freelancers build genuine income on it, and reviews and repeat clients do compound over time. But any skill turns into income. Quietly skip the part where you have to survive an unranked, underpriced cold start before the marketplace actually works in your favor. The platform brings you visibility once you've earned it. It doesn't hand it to you on day one. Reality check, plain and simple. Fiverr and platforms like it are a real freelance on-ramp. Budget for a genuine cold start period of underpriced work to build reviews. Expect a 20% platform cut on every order, and understand your pricing against a truly global pool of sellers, not just local competition. If you're willing to price low early, deliver well, and let reviews compound over months, this can become real income. If you expected marketplace-level rates on day one with 0 reviews, this isn't your hustle. That's Fiverr Freelancing, the real truth. Next up in this series, reselling and thrift flips, and whether flipping secondhand finds online is actually profitable once you count the hours. Full breakdown and more side hustles broken down honestly. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.